2, 1.
Oh wait, I don't think I can carry it. Mommy needs help.
You're doing good, you got it. Take a break if you need.
It's so heavy. Okay.
Good work, everyone.
Okay, come on, more boxes.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Allie if you're new, and I'm really excited about this video because this is my first Christmas clean and decorate in our new house. We just moved into this farmhouse. We have some land now, and I'm really excited to decorate it for Christmas. This is also my first cleaning and decorating video in general here. So we have a lot to catch up on. As you can see, we have a dog, and that is such a cool, fun story. But I would love for y'all to go over to Instagram to find out that story. I did a reel and I shared every detail. It's the sweetest story ever. So go check that out. But the first thing we're doing is setting up the Christmas tree. We wanted to do this with the kids because it's just fun. It's a memory for them, a memory for us. We thought we wanted to put it in this corner here, but once we put the first part of our fig tree down, we realized that it blocked too much space. It stuck out too far. And so we decided that we would actually put it over here where you're gonna see us set it up. And this is the ideal place to put it, but we might have to find a different solution next year because our goal is to center the TV and the TV stand on this wall and then put the TV on the wall. And so then we won't be able to put the Christmas tree here next year. So for now, we're gonna enjoy it in the perfect spot. We got this tree 2 years ago. It fit the space in our old house beautifully. Thankfully, it still fits the space in this house too, but it for some reason looks so much bigger in this house, but we really love it. And I think we got it from Sam's Club, and I'll see if I can still link that for you guys below as well. What do you guys think? Cool, huh? Isn't it huge?
It's huge.
Oh, yeah. It's huge in the iPhone.
Okay. Who's ready to turn it on? Hello, hello.
Hang on, guys. Hang on. Don't hit it yet.
Okay.
3, 2, 1.
Lights on.
Yay! It's Christmas! We also decided to let the kids decorate the tree. It's so cute letting kids decorate the tree because they plop them all at the bottom where they can reach it and all in the same spot. But I felt like it was really important to let them do this, and little did they know, I went ahead later that night and rearranged the ornaments how they looked best on the tree, and they did not know the difference. We also got something new this year. I got these bead strings. I got red and I got white. I got them from Hobby Lobby, and I wish that I had grabbed way too many and that I could have taken them back because we ended up with not enough, and when I went back to Hobby Lobby the next day, they were completely gone. So next year I'll have to get some more to fill the tree, but I love this little vintage vibe. I may end up taking off the white or the red and just sticking with one color and then putting the other strand somewhere else. I also had to buy new ornaments this year. We have to buy them pretty much every year because the kids lose them, but this year I have somehow trained my kids not to touch the ornaments, and I'm really, really grateful for that because they haven't bothered them. Penelope, what are you doing in there? What are you doing in there? You crazy cat. Next, I am decorating the built-ins. These are so much fun to decorate. I haven't bought any new decor. This is all decor that I had around my house, my old house, and so I might change this look up, like the normal look up, to more of a cottagey feel, maybe a few touches of vintage, I'm not sure. But for now, I just use the decor that I have. I loved decorating this space for Christmas because it just felt so cozy and so Christmassy, as you'll see. But I loved that the decor was like up on these built-ins and it wasn't in my way at all. So that was really nice. This is pretty much the only space that we decorated for Christmas. I didn't really add add it to the rest of the house because I didn't really feel like the rest of the house needed too much. The first thing I did was wipe down these well, I cleared them out first, took all the decor down, and then I am wiping them down with some all-purpose cleaner and a microfiber cloth. I didn't realize, but these were so dirty. I knew they were dirty, but they had a lot of soot on them, and so I took a long time just doing some deep cleaning on these. Here you can see this half was not cleaned and I had cleaned the other half. That's how dark and dingy they were, and you didn't really know how dirty they were until you started cleaning. So now for the fun part, we pulled out all our decor, and I have quite a few boxes from over the years of collecting it, and it's fun to see different pieces and remember the house that I lived in when I bought that decor. We've lived in, I think, 6 houses in 6 years or something like that, or maybe 5 houses in 6 years, 6 houses in 7 years. And so I've collected quite a bit of decor. Last year I did declutter quite a bit of it too. This year I didn't end up buying very much decor because I just didn't need it. After I decorated all my built-ins, I did go back to Hobby Lobby and I picked up 2 pieces that you will not see in this video. One was a sign and one was this adorable wooden sleigh. It's really small, but I loved it, so I had to get it. So I'm taking out all my decor and I am organizing it so that I see all of the pieces that I have to work with and I can play around and make it how I want. These little houses, I collected them from various stores last year. Some were from Hobby Lobby, some were from Target, but I love the look of this little tiny village. I do want to get some twinkly lights. I actually have twinkly lights, I just need to get some batteries to put in them, but I'll put some twinkly lights in here and ooh, maybe some trees. Some little like bottle brush trees would look cute in there as well. The nativity scene is always my favorite thing to set up because to me, the nativity, the story of Jesus being born on earth as a baby, he's God, but he was also human, and he was born so that he could die on the cross and pay the penalty for our sins so that we can spend forever in heaven with God if we ask him to be our savior. To me, that is what Christmas is all about, and so I loved being able to set up my nativity and make it front and center. we got these stockings from Target and I really love them. I kind of love that they don't all match, and this year I wanted to hang them kind of in a bunch instead of equally spaced out on the mantle, and I love it. So that is what we did there, and here is the final look of the built-ins. Now I did change it up just a little bit after the video was done and I realized I could do a few things different, but for the most part, this is the gist. All right, I am so excited about our vacuum. We've had this vacuum for a while now, but this is the Shark Stratos, I believe. We have never owned a vacuum cleaner that plugs into the wall, at least I don't think so. But this is a game changer for carpet. It's got such a powerful suction and does such a good job on carpet. It is pretty heavy and the cord is sort of annoying, but it's worth it to me for doing things like the carpet, or as you can see now I'm doing the vacuum cleaner, I'm doing the couch, and I just love it. It's so good. This vacuum comes with a ton of attachments. I don't remember if it comes with the attachments or if you need to buy them separately, but regardless, the attachments are a game changer too. But I don't use this vacuum cleaner for everything in our house because it is so heavy. So I use it on the carpets and on the couch and the stairs, but I use a different vacuum cleaner that you guys have seen me use before for the hardwood floors. We do own 2 Christmas trees. We had the Christmas tree that we're about to set up in our old townhouse, and when we moved into our first house that we bought a bigger tree to fill the bigger, taller ceilinged living room. But we love setting up the 2 trees. Before, in the old house, we set this tree up in our basement, but I adore this sitting room and I'm so excited to make it just beautiful and cozy and comfortable. So I love this flocked tree in this front sitting room. It just fits the space and the decor style that I want to do in this room so beautifully, and I love that we get to use this tree. I think having multiple Christmas trees in the house, if you can, is really fun and festive. So this is the vacuum cleaner that I use on our hardwood floors. You've seen me use this one before. This is the LG stick vacuum. And so just for convenience sake, I use this vacuum to vacuum up the hardwood floors. That is gonna be it for today's video. Thank y'all so much for being here and for decorating our house for Christmas with me. It's been so fun figuring out this house and getting to decorate a new place and just making it feel homey and cozy and festive. If you're not subscribed, I'd love it if you did that. Also, you can follow me on Instagram at Allie_Gooch. Don't forget to go watch that reel where I introduce y'all to Bailey, our new dog, our new but also old dog, and go listen to her incredible story of how we have her now. So I love y'all so much. I will see you in the next video. Lots of cleaning content to come. You don't want to miss it. All right, I love y'all and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.